In this video, we'll factor the equation x squared minus 2x minus 35 equals 0. And we'll use these guidelines here to help us do it. First thing we want to do is set up a skeleton equation. That'll help us factor the equation. So we'll put a skeleton right here. And now we want to find the signs that go in our skeleton equation. So we want to add the signs. Since we have a negative on the middle and the last term, so if the middle and the last term are negative, we're going to have a positive and a negative in our skeleton equation. So we'll put a positive here and a negative here. Now we want to find the factors for the last term, that's the minus 35, that'll equal the middle term, this minus 2 here. So for 35, we could multiply 35 times 1, 7 times 5, and that's pretty much it. It looks like 7 minus 5, that would give us 2. So if we put our 7 here, and then our 5 here, we should get a minus 2 for the center term. But we can check our work with the FOIL method. That'll look like this. So we multiply the first terms, the outside, the inside, and then the last terms, and we end up with x squared minus 7x plus 5x. And we can just make this here minus 2x minus 35 equals 0. That's the same thing as up here. So we know that this is correct. Let's find the values for each of these that'll make this equation equal to 0, make this a true statement. So we could say x plus 5 equals 0, so x would equal minus 5. And if you put minus 5 in for both of these x's here, the minus 5 squared plus 2 times minus 5 minus 35, you'd end up with 0. Likewise, if you said x minus 7 equals 0, so x equals minus 7, and then you put minus 7 in for each x, you do the math, it'll all equal 0. So we know that these are correct. If you use the quadratic equation, you would get these same answers. Just a little bit different way of going about it. This is Dr. B factoring the equation x squared minus 2x minus 35 equals 0. Thanks for watching.